Hello students, myself Dr. Sunil Rajoria. I am from Chemical Engineering Department MIET Meerut. In this lecture, I will discuss about the steam trap. What is steam trap? Firstly, I will tell you about the steam trap and then types of steam trap. Now, a steam trap is a device used to discharge condensate and non-condensable gases with a negligible consumption or loss of live steam. Steam traps are nothing more than automatic valves. They open, close, or modulate automatically. There are various three important functions of steam traps. First one is discharge condensate as soon as it is formed. Second one, have a negligible steam consumption, that means being energy efficient. Third one is have the capability of discharging air and other non-condensable gases. Now here we can see that the various principles are shown in this table for the different types of steam traps. First one, mechanical traps. These are based on the difference in density between steam and condensate. Second one is thermodynamic trap, that is based on the difference in thermodynamic properties between steam and condensate. Thermodynamic properties like gives energy, enthalpy, etc. Third one is thermostatic trap, difference in temperature between steam and condensate. There are also shown in this table subgroup of the steam traps. Now I will tell you one by one these types of steam traps. First one is the mechanical traps. This type of traps remove condensate through the use of mechanical properties of steam versus condensate. Since liquid is denser than the steam, it will travel to the bottom of the system. Mechanical traps have a bucket or float that rises and falls in relation to condensate level, and this usually has a mechanical linkage attached that opens and closes the valves. These type of traps, that means a mechanical traps, operate in direct relationship to condensate levels present in the body of the steam traps. Inverted bucket and float traps are example of mechanical traps. Float traps can have a mechanical linkage or can seal the trap through use of the float itself. Now the second one is the thermostatic trap. In this trap, these remove condensate through the temperature difference of steam versus the liquid phase. The valve is driven through expansion and contraction of an element that is exposed to the heat from steam or condensate. These traps take a temperature drop below the saturation curve to open and remove condensate. These traps can perform this by a filled element or bellows or bimetallic element. Now the last one is the thermodynamic traps, and these traps operate on the dynamic principle of steam versus condensate and the use of Bernoulli's principle. When condensate released through an orifice, the speed increases and pressure drop occurs. This will flash steam to create higher pressure to close a valve or slow the discharge speed of the trap. The main types of traps in this family are desk impulse, orifice, or venturi nozzles. Okay, thank you.